Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another project. Today we're making this easy grocery bag holder. A fat quarter, some elastic, and just a few minutes of your time will have you ready to store all your plastic grocery sacks all in one place. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, and color photos. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern, or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device. Alright, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need a main fabric, a fabric strip for a hanging loop, and 2 pieces of elastic. First, fold the top of the fabric down 1/4 inch with the wrong sides of the fabric facing and press it. Fold the edge over another 1/2 inch and press it. This will form the top casing for the elastic. Fold the bottom of the fabric up 1/4 inch with the wrong sides of the fabric facing and press it. Fold the edge over another 1/2 inch and press it. This will form the bottom casing for the elastic. Now flip the piece right side up. Fold the fabric in half with the right sides facing each other and the casings at the top and bottom. Open up the top casing and the bottom casing and match the raw edges on the corners and along the sides, and use fabric clips or pins to hold it all in place. Beginning at the top, stitch the sides together using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. To reduce fraying, use an overlock stitch or a combination of a straight stitch and a zigzag stitch. Refold the casings back into place. Stitch around each casing about 1/8 inch from the open edge. Be sure to leave a space open to add the elastic. Insert the elastic and feed it through the top casing, adjusting it as you work it through. I like to use a safety pin on each end of the elastic, one for inserting and one so the other end of the elastic doesn't get lost in the casing. Pull both ends of the elastic outside the casing about 2 inches. To secure the elastic, stitch the ends together with a zigzag or straight stitch. To make it easier to sew the elastic together, I like to place a fabric scrap under the elastic, stitch over it back and forth, and then cut away the extra fabric without cutting into the stitching. And then feed the elastic back into the casing and readjust it. Use the same technique to add elastic to the bottom casing. To make the hanging loop, fold the 10-inch fabric strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other. Press it to make a crease and open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 inch from the edges all the way around the fabric strip. Fold the strip in half to make a loop and place the raw edges of the loop inside the top opening of the casing. Secure the loop in place by stitching the casing closed. Press the loop up, stitch across the loop one last time to hold it in the upward position. Then stitch the bottom casing closed and turn the piece right side out. And just like that, just that fast, you've made yourself your very own easy-to-sew grocery bag holder from your own fabric. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.